one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man. And no one knows what it's like to be hated, to be faded. Now they always, but my dreams, they aren't as empty as my conscience seems to be. I have hours only lonely. I love this vengeance that's never and no one knows what it's like to feel these feelings like I do. And I blame you. And no one bites back as hard on their anger. None of my people can show through. But my dreams, they aren't as empty as my conscience seems to be. I have hours only lonely. I love this vengeance that's never free. And no one knows what it's like to be mistreated, be defeated behind blue eyes. And no one knows how to say that they're sorry. Don't worry, I'm not wise. But my dreams, they aren't as empty as my conscience seems to be. I have hours only lonely. I love this vengeance that's never free. No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man. That fucking wasn't bad, eh? Woo! Said, son, have you seen the world? What would you say if I said that you could just carry this gun? You'll even get but she pressed on. So I lifted my gun and I fired away. When the shells jumped through the smoke and into the sand that the blood now had soaked, she collapsed with a flag in her hand, a flag white as snow. A hero of war, is that what they see? Medals and scars, so damn proud of me. And I brought home that flag, now it gathers dust, but it's a flag that I love, and the only thing I trust. Said, son, have you seen the world? What would you say if I said that you